What?
Wolf Hills, D3,
Wolf Hills.
What?
Western Dark,
Western
Guard Camp.
Western Guard Camp. One
Where's
Western Guard
T4?
Camp.
15
Western
minutes.
Guard Camp
Western
and Bartali.
Oh my god.
Bartali is D5.
Okay, go, go, go. Go to the goddamn fucking north side of goddamn Western Guard Camp. Oh. Lors, and goddamn, Timmy, I want you to be on T5 question mark. Please. Move it.
Flag.
Is goddamn T4 King, goddamn scout on goddamn fucking, what do you call that? T5. Do we have any enemy here in T4?
Not yet.
Hug it, burn it, plant turrets here. Plant turrets here now. Everyone hug fort. Hug the fort. Everyone needs to be here on the fort. Burn it.
Plan right now.
We're titling this. This is 15 minutes. 15 minutes. We burn this.
Wolfhill is 12 minutes.
Okay, I want everyone to come back here in goddamn Western Guard Camp. Western Guard Camp now. I want everyone here. Turtle. King, goddamn
Bartali
turtles,
took by
bitches.
Red Hunger Snake.
E-buff
Sorry,
and
Plunder,
burn,
no
please. E-buff and burn.
Color the
You're
enemy,
burning, you're
guys.
burning.
Color the enemy.
Rascal, you need to goddamn kill the people here. King and goddamn Carissa, color the bitches, please. Color bitches.
Wait.
We stay
Okay.
here. This
Rated question
fort
mark?
is only 14 minutes. This fort is only 14 minutes. Can we have the elephant nursery here?
Please.
No, I
Okay.
planted it the grease. No.
Okay, then we can wait. Plant traps here, Rascal and goddamn fast classes, Jinsen. Rascal, check goddamn Wolffield, play there. Vulcan, go goddamn fucking Wolffield, check there now.
No
Go
one's burning it again.
Parade is on
burning
question
slow, it's
mark.
burning
Only
slow.
parade so far.
in Wolffield.
No, question mark. First plunder.
No. We go focus on Wolffield. Anything that is close to us. Go. Stay on the goddamn fort. We wait for the turret to go up. Move it.
Where do you want the flag?
On the goddamn east side of my fort. East side of my fort. At the edge.
Only
Okay.
play
Will
chill
be up
in
in
Wolf Hills, Briggs.
9:04.
Okay,
Only play
when the turret goes up, I want it mounted and we're exiting already. Move it. We're moving north. Move north now. Move north.
Only play
Left
chill
team.
burning the fort.
King and goddamn Ras, keep mounting the turrets and you tell me, okay? Everyone
see the
come with me. Come with me. Flag, can you plant the flag here in the middle of Wolffield and Western Guard Camp? Thank you.
Chicken.
Barkitsu on red ping. Barkitsu's
We have-
annexes are
we have-
red ping.
Move
Few
it.
more
I want
seconds,
everyone
few more
here.
seconds.
Move it.
So what is king?
Then goddamn, yeah, just stay there. Just stay there.
Shadow.
Yes. Just stay there. Oh, kill this annex. Kill the annex. On the
On
south
this
side. South side of
No
Daihatsu.
one's target
Kill
the
the
Wolfhill.
aircon. Kill the aircon. God damn it.
19%
Yes.
on the Wolfhill.
Nice. Kill this goddamn Daihatsu people. You're doing good. You're killing good. Play for kills only. Can we color purple, please?
10%.
Carissa, King,
Wait.
color. HP, keep talking.
Hit.
Push now to the fort. Push forward.
7%,
Push forward.
7%.
You push forward. You push forward.
Okay,
Yeah.
you took it. You got
Alright,
two forts,
nice.
you got two
Now you
forts.
keep spawning fort. Keep spawning fort, okay? You keep spawning fort. We need to give this to them. I don't want this.
Bakit nakuha
Where
natin
did
yan?
you took it?
I don't know how did we get it? Yes, fort spawn only. Fort spawn. We're just defending the
I mean-
goddamn fucking Western Guard Camp, okay?
Briggs, I will pull the... Oh shit.
Briggs.
Briggs is here. Yellow ping. Yellow ping. Red
Yellow
and
north,
snake. Yellow here.
northeast,
Yellow here.
Fall back on my
Yellow
fort.
ping.
Fall back on my fort. Fort. Western
Which
Guard
fort?
Camp. Western Guard Camp.
Western,
Guard Camp.
Enemy at Western Guard Camp coming Enemy at Western Guard Camp.
Northeast.
Play for kills. I want you to play for kills only. Play for kills. You're playing for kills. It's a CTG on this ping.
Yeah,
it's a CTG on this ping. I want you to
You're on-
count this. I want you to count this.
Do you want me to plant
Yes,
the FT?
plant the flag, yes.
The flag, yeah. Plant
Yes,
the flag.
very near the fort. Our fort, Western Guard Camp. Please. You're doing good. Play for kills. We're just defending. We're just defending this goddamn shit.
West.
Up.
Why is my
Annexes,
flamethrower not shooting?
annexes. Here,
They are
here.
shooting.
Yellow ping.
They are
Yellow ping.
shooting.
Annexing. Annex,
Okay,
annex,
kill
annex,
it in the east,
annex.
in the east. Spawn fort and kill people on the east.
You cannot-
Spawn fort and kill people on the east. Kill on the east. You're doing good.
They're
We're
coming
killing the
north,
annexes on the east.
They're coming
No,
from north.
you focus on east. You focus on east only. On east. They don't
The
need
flag,
to goddamn.
flag also here.
Yes, kill the goddamn watcher first. They don't need to goddamn build shit. They don't need to build shit here. Come on, you're doing good. Kill the bitches. We need
I'm
to
gonna
kill
plant our flag here
bitches.
also. Next to them.
Yes. Disrespect them.
Try to tap.
Yes. No. Focus on killing first. Focus on killing first on the east. East side, 3 o'clock. That Watcha needs to go down. Hey!
Going na.
Watch
That
1%.
minute,
Watch
kill that
1%.
goddamn fucking Watcha! That Watcha goes out, we're gonna be having a hard time. Oh, no.
Yep. It's almost down. Kill it! Putang ina mo, tayo lang dalawa dito.
Oh,
Yes, nice. We got it.
Down.
Yes, nice. Keep spawning and kill people on the east. Keep spawning and clear people on the east. Oh, we're doing good. Keep spawning. You're firing at 3 o'clock. Can we have a flamethrower on the east, please? Can we have?
Gonna remove the other one. Wait.
No. Don't remove. What did you plant that shit? No. Don't
The
remove.
point.
Don't. Just
The
mount.
point.
Just mount. We're good. We're playing for kills. I want everyone to play for kills on their flamethrower. Okay? On their goddamn
positive
flag.
boy.
My bad. Move it. We're doing good. You're doing good. We're doing good. Heals and shy buff. I want all PA on the enemy flag.
Flag up,
All PA on enemy flag. Come on. All heals pop. You need to pop all of your buff. Now, please. All of your buff. You're doing good.
Bitches, die, nigger.
Nice. What did you
Briggs,
say?
Purple
Yes.
is regrouping at the west side, West
Let
side.
them. We're just defending Western Guard camp. We lost Wolffield already. Keep
Yeah, Western
spawning,
Guard
keep
camp
spawning.
west side. Western Guard
Yes,
camp west side.
Let them. We kill this flag first. We kill the red shits. Come on, keep focusing. Okay, everyone, fall back on the fort now. Fall back. Reset. If you're
That
dead,
flag,
you're
that
not
flag,
spawning.
that flag,
If
that
you're
flag.
dead, you're not spawning. Hug the fort.
Tap the fort,
We're spawning in 10.
The fort.
We're spawning in 3, 2, 1. Spawn fort. Clear the east. Shy buff on fort, please. Shy buff on
Their
fort.
flag
Shy
is
buff on fort.
50%.
Yes, they're almost
60.
dead. Once their flag goes down, we can repair. Kill the people on the east. Please. On the east. Flamethrowers, please keep popping on the east. 3 o'clock, please, for God's sake. Can you fight on the east? You need to fight on their flame. They're planting again. Watcha, can you just shoot on the goddamn enemy flag? Can you do that? Hello? Do we have Watcha? Yes or no?
Yup. Shooting.
Shoot at the fucking Watcha. At the enemy Watcha,
Come up
please.
there. Purple.
Purple coming from west side.
That's okay. Focus on the enemy goddamn annexes. The comp is
FT.
nothing.
Shoot at the-
The enemy is yellow.
Shoot at the fort.
Wait. Keep that annexes needs to go down, sir.
Got the lead on the way.
Yes. I want the elephant on the enemy goddamn flag. Move it.
Coming.
Come on, I want you to keep spawning and kill that Watcha. Now.
So you're dead. Almost dead.
Move it. We goddamn have it. We have it. Come on. kill that-
473%.
Can you just down on
473%.
the east side? 3 o'clock. That Watcha goes down. You will lose more. Oh my God. The Watcha is gonna go up. Yep. My team is still
Fort
fighting
HP.
on the north.
70.
Wait on the north. Right.
Fight on the east, you fucking midget! And the Watcha is up. Oh, thank God. Thank God. All right, now fall back on my fort. Fall back on my fort now. Fall back on my fort. All buff on fort. All flamethrowers need to be shooting inwards. Shoot inwards. All heals on fort. If you're dead, you're staying dead for 5 seconds. Stay on the fort. All heals. We're pushing to the 3 o'clock. Again, in 3, 2, 1. Shoot at the yellow. Go. Spawn fort. Clear yellow. Clear the yellow. We need that flag to go out. The enemy flag needs to go out. Okay? The enemy flag needs to go out. Do we have a goddamn fucking enemy in? Hello? Hello, can you
Stop.
spawn and clear 3 o'clock? Can you just push and ignore everything and just go
Briggs,
3 o'clock?
purple regrouping at the south side.
Let them. Our problem is the red
Later telling you
flag.
going to the east side.
Around 65, 6 minutes.
HP on the fort.
65, 6 minutes.
65.
Alright, goddamn, stay dead. I want you to die now and push to the goddamn south. You push south. If you're dead,
South no enemy.
No, the goddamn purple, the purple.
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
building annexes. Building annexes here. Here.
Go
Yellow
on the
ping.
south, go on the south, go on the south.
Yellow ping.
Kill these people on the
I'm
south.
ramming everything here. at the south.
Yes. Keep clearing on the south. South, please. Annexes.
platoon.
They must not be able to build. That's a
Kill this,
goddamn
yellow ping,
fucking
yellow ping,
annex.
yellow ping.
Kill the annex.
Kill this annex. Kill this
Spawn
annex.
as much as possible at the fort. Clear the annexes on the south.
Red Angry Snakes flag is at 50%,
South.
40%.
Oh
South.
shit.
Oh,
Fuck.
Ay!
One FT is up. One FT is up.
4.
Fall back
5
on the
minutes.
fort. Clear this purple on the west. Kill this purple on the west. On the west. On the west.
Ellis going there.
On the
One
west.
annexes here.
On the west. On the west. Can we just have one annex? Come on, we have annexes. We're gaming here. We're
Red Angry
gaming.
Snakes building a
All
project
hills?
on the hillside.
Down.
on the rock side.
Down.
Oh my god.
Ramming purple at the.
Stay
to
now
5 minutes.
we're gonna stay dead. I want you to stay dead. We're pushing at the yellow, okay? We're gonna kill the annex. Come on, in 3, 2, 1, spawn fort, push to the yellow. 3 o'clock, 3. Push
Yeah.
push the goddamn
Kill this
enemy
annex.
shit. Kill it, kill the annex, kill
Kill
the
it.
annex. Focus
Kill
on
this
the annex first.
FT.
Focus on the annex. E-buff and BSR, please. E-buff and BSR. You need to be E-buff and BSR. You kill the EBSR. Nice.
Down. FT is down.
Annex.
FT is down.
Watch annex, please. Watch
14.
annex.
For chopping.
4
Going
minutes,
to
60
45.
seconds.
Nice work. This watcher needs to go down.
It's going down.
Nice watcher go. Oh, now fall back on the fort.
minutes,
Next.
30 seconds.
Find the other annexes now.
Southside.
Southside. We go south now. If you're dead, stay dead. If you're dead, you stay dead. If you are dead, you stay dead, sir. If you're dead, you stay dead.
Other purple is up. 1 FT.
Fort
Yeah, that's
HP,
goddamn late.
47% rigs.
Yes, let it. I want the goddamn officers. I want everyone. Goddamn, tap the fort once. And join the fight. Tap the fort once and join the fight. Keep spawning and clear everything at the south. Repair
Purple
the fort
regrouping at the
once.
south.
Yes, let them. We're RBFing now. Flamethrower, can you just shoot
Red
inwards?
Snake down. Red Snake down.
Okay, nice. Focus on the south now. Kill the yellow first. Clear them. Repair the fort once. Flamethrower, don't cheap out on the bullets now. Keep fighting.
Bongo.
3
Striker.
minutes, 30
All
seconds.
Shy needs to stay on the fort. All Shy needs to stay at the fort. Shy will not repair, just Bongo. Everyone, RBF now on the south. I want everyone to clear.
LA down.
Nice, then start fighting on the floor.
Okay.
Start fighting on the floor, please.
Let me start
Keep
the
playing
LA
for
again.
kills. I want everyone to repair once on the
West
fort.
side trying to build FT. West side trying to build
Okay,
FT.
go now. Push west. Where is it? Push on the west.
Ping it.
You need to push on west. Push on
Hoy.
west. Push on west.
Hello, pushing.
2 minutes,
Yes.
2 minutes.
On the flag.
Push on west. West, 9 o'clock. West is the 9 o'clock on the road. Kill the annexes. The more annexes they lose, the more you win. Okay? If you're dead, stay dead. Why is my goddamn people
FT,
not...
you shoot at the fort only. What the fuck are you
Fort.
doing?
Shoot at the fort only. We need to repair it. 3, 2, 1. Spawn fort. We clear yellow. The annexes are dead.
East side trying to build annex again. East side trying to build annex again.
We need to kill the goddamn cope. Goddamn flamethrower on the west. Flamethrower on the west.
Yellow flag up.
Sir, you didn't kill the flamethrower at the west. Oh no. Stay dead. We're spawning in goddamn 5 seconds. And I want you to clear the west. The 9 o'clock. Spawn now and clear the goddamn flamethrower on the west now. Flamethrower only. Jesus Christ. Fucking goddamn idiots. Clear the goddamn... And the flamethrower is up.
Fort HP,
1
34
minute.
rigs.
You're just staying at the fort. Elephant, you're staying at the fort.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Yes. Stay at the fort. Stay at the fort. Jesus Christ. Stay at the fort. Come on. Everyone needs to stay alive. Come on.
Replanting a flag. Oh shit.
Stay on the fort.
1 minute left.
Stay dead. If you're dead, you stay dead.
20%.
If you're dead, you stay dead.
Percent on the fort. Percent on the fort.
15.
Ready. Spawn fort now and clear the violet. Clear the purple. Spawn fort, clear purple now. Kill it. Oh no.
12%.
5, 4, 3.
Dakop.
Yeah, just burn it, just burn it, just burn it, just burn it.
You don't have
We're
blood,
gonna burn
you don't
it, we're
have
gonna
blood.
burn it,
I
we're gonna burn it.
I did not plant. Shit. Gonna plant.
We're gonna burn it, we're gonna burn it. Come on, burn fort, burn the fort. HP on the fort.
Respawn.
Fort 90, 90, 90.
90.
Yeah, we're burning it, we're burning it, we're burning it. Do we have next flag? Do we have next flag?
Yeah. Planting here now. Planting here.
Come on, keep firing on the
40
fort.
seconds.
You got plug,
Come on, keep burning fort, keep burning fort.
You got plug.
Watch us
Burning
from
fort.
red snake.
30
Watch us
seconds,
from red
30
snake.
seconds. 30
30.
seconds.
Keep spawning at the fort and
28,
clear the fort.
27,
90, 90.
Burn it. Just keep burning the fort. Just keep burning the fort. Just keep
20
burning the fort.
seconds. 20 seconds.
Keep burning the fort. Keep
20
burning the
seconds,
fort.
20, 15, 15 seconds.
There you go.
10 seconds.
10. 9.
Come on, you're burning the fort. You
7,
keep burning the fort.
5. 4.
We're gonna clear every people here.
1.
Briggs, I'm removing the flag right now.
Yes, remove the flag. Do you know how bad you guys are?
Briggs, Bartali, 19 minutes.
You stay here. We're going to Bartali. Again, when I tell you, they must not build their turret near the fort. Why? Why are you goddamn
Only
attacking a
purple-
fucking...
Only purple here. One guild.
Kill,
Only one
kill,
guild.
stay on the
Bartali now.
flamethrower, stay on the flamethrower. No, we're going late. We're going late. Kill the goddamn yellow people first. Spawn
Up on the spot now.
flag and kill this.
No,
I want goddamn... Yes! Just spawn Western Guard camp. Move it, we kill people here. Come on.
North side of
I'm
fort
gonna-
completely empty right now.
I'm
Along with
gonna
cliff side.
check question mark.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Southeast is completely free as well. There's one direct flag between southeast of the
I want you to
forts.
plant the goddamn flag on the south of the fort. That is past the road, okay? Past the road.
Rescouting
Move
it
it.
right now. Give me a second, please.
Police
Move it.
of the fort. Purple
Yellow is sorry, purple.
Two guild is
big and pass.
fighting in question mark Briggs. Parade and down back.
Then on the goddamn Bartali.
See purple.
Bartali, someone has south. Someone has south on Bartali.
I need the head count on how many guilds are fighting on a fort, sir. On a fort. Can we have that?
Bartali, last time I checked, but I just died. But I did see yellow starting to move into Bartali.
Count numbers.
Briggs, I'm pla-
2 to 3.
Briggs, I'm planting the flag here. Yellow ping.
Yes. Plant it there and turrets also. Move it.
Some of the
remove it.
purple regrouping at the...
Remove the annexes. Remove the annexes.
Oh,
remove the
everyone
annexes.
regroup on the flag now. Regroup on the flag. Now. Move it.
Remove the annexes, guys.
When
Like
I
soon
told
at,
you
Forest
to
of
push
Numbers.
in a goddamn fucking area, you follow it! The Cope just managed to plant a
Five
flamethrower
guild.
and
Five
we
guild
won.
Briggs. 5 guild. 5 guild.
I'll give in what? In my nuts?
Bartali.
Then we fight in Bartali. That's it. Regroup on the goddamn flag
Bartali
first. Go.
Wait lang, color puro purple. Ba't puro purple ang color?
Yeah, I was about to say
Yeah,
everything's
it's
purple
the
right
color,
now. You
it's the
cannot
Change it! Change it. Jesus
Wait.
Christ. Regroup on the flamethrower on the goddamn flag first. That's the first command.
base
Yeah, just come
east of the
here.
fort.
Come here. For God's sake. Oh wait, we're just playing for kills and we're gonna load the HP of the fort. That's it.
Like
Wait,
someone is
wait.
on the cliff side.
Yes, goddamn, come here on the flag first.
Red angry
Does
snakes
anyone-
on the east side.
Yes, does anyone
Regroup
know
first,
the
regroup first,
goddamn
regroup first.
West side of the
our
fort.
flag? Where is it? See
Southeast.
the flag, right? You see the flag, right? Can you come here first?
You go
And
first,
stop
guys.
dying
You go-
alone!
You go first. You go first.
Oh my God, you're just dying.
Let
on
the
your own like
scouters
a
do
bitch.
it. Let the scouters do it. LA 40%. LA 40%.
Yes, stay here. You stay on the fucking goddamn regroup point. We're waiting for the one
Still
child, the
wait
elephant to
40
go
seconds.
up. Let it. That's a fucking chunky ass boy already.
Still have 16
Chai,
minutes
where's my buff? We have 15 minutes of fucking free hit here. Just come here. Chai, BSRs, where are you? Oh no, my team. My team Bayot.
Move already to the flag. Yellow ping. Go to the
Why
flag.
is goddamn fucking Ponte, Shadow, Black Fang, why are you still there? In Western Guard camp. Come here. Alright, we push north. Move it. We're gonna check the goddamn fucking
Taiketsu
fort.
is on red ping.
Who goddamn fucking colored the enemy green? Fall back, fall back, fall back. We're not fighting that. We're not fighting that. I told you never color the enemy blue and green. Fall back on the flag.
Change it to orange. Change it to orange. Change it to orange.
Change it.
Change it already. Change it already.
Guys. Ready? We're pushing now. Yes. Wow, we suddenly have an ally. Move north. Move north.
Rotate use like Kitsu. They currently have structures building. If you keep going
Why
north.
is there a blue? Kill this goddamn fuck. Sir? Sir?
Did that color again?
Circle down,
No
Briggs.
blue,
30
no
seconds.
blue, no blue, no green.
On
Oh,
cooldown, we can
heals and
change.
PA, heals and PA. E-buff and BSR. Jesus Christ, you do know your teammates are monkeys, no? Kill it! Kill it!
Is it blue? Why are they blue? Change it.
Yeah,
Change it.
yeah, wait for
Wait.
it.
Fall
Still
back,
cooldown.
now fall back, now fall back, fall back. You overstayed. You overstayed. Fall back now, you fall back now, papi. Fall back,
They were teammates. What the
fall back. We suddenly have a teammate.
I thought
Surprise!
they blew. I thought we were like, what? Why are we 50?
Flat traps! Flat traps!
Colored.
Flat traps on the floor! Flat traps on the
Colored
floor!
already.
Get your depot! Defend the goddamn Watcha, please! Who's riding the Watcha? I want you to shoot at the fort, okay?
Watch it, can hit the
Hello.
floor.
Stay on the road! Can you plant traps on the floor?
Flag
Plant
is
traps on
on
the
red
floor!
pink.
Plant on the floor! Plant on the floor! We need a clear attack route to the enemy! Give
If you don't
him!
have traps, you can buy the supply
Ready?
depot. We
We're
have
pushing
supply
now!
depot
We're
here.
pushing! 2 o'clock! Follow the ping! Follow green ping! Follow green ping! Follow green ping! We kill orange! We kill orange! We kill this orange!
Hotcha reposition.
Watcha, second
Is ba-
jungle bug daw.
Yes, okay,
Hotcha
good.
Hotcha
Unplug
reposition.
Unplug it,
Hotcha
unplug it.
reposition.
Your backside,
Unplug
your
it.
backside. Backside, like Kitsu's
Oh, fall
engagement.
back now. You fall back. You fall back. You fall back. Fall back. Why is this two different people?
Yeah, they are.
Yep. They have this.
Orange has 2 guilds colored.
Like
I'm
Kitsu is
afraid
down
it
bad
right.
with orange.
HP of the fort, 48.
Like Kitsu is currently hitting the
Gotta-
flag.
gotta make it.
Come back, come back. Stay on the goddamn street. Stay on the street. You
Gonna
shy
change it.
up on the street.
Change it.
13 minutes, 30 seconds.
Ready? Spawn flag now. Spawn flag. Regroup at the goddamn
37.
street. Regroup on the street. Regroup on the street. Shy buff. We're pushing now in 3, 2, 1. Push 2 o'clock. Push 2 o'clock. We're heading straight to the fort. Heading straight to the fort. We're gonna eat 10%.
In between you, there's a field fighting.
Play for kills. Play for kills. You're playing for kills. You're playing for kills. You're playing for kills. You are playing for kills. They right in top. They're right on top of you. Come on, play for kills. Play for kills. Now head straight to the fort. Head straight fort. Head straight fort. Head straight to the fort. Eat 10%.
45,
10%.
45,
Keep
30
talking.
minutes,
Keep talking.
45%.
44,
Yes, yes, yes.
Kitsu is currently in red ping.
Fall back
Yellow's
now. Fall
also
back.
on the-
Fall back. Fall back.
on the-
Fall back. Fall back west. Fall back west. On the ledge. On the ledge. On the edge. On the edge. On the edge. When the goddamn fucking orange people responds, we are sandwich. Spawn here. Spawn flag and come here. 38%.
I'm moving the FT.
Yes.
38%
Move on FT. We need this to
Yeah.
be our goddamn regroup point.
Yep,
Move
yep.
it. Kill it. Kill this goddamn
Moving it.
Negroes. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it.
Yep, yep, yep.
34, 34.
Yeah, keep talking. Keep talking. Stay here. I want shy buff here. Come on, ball up. Compress. We're pushing the fort soon.
33,
Ball up.
32.
Ball up. Ball up. Get ready? We're gonna eat 5% and we're gonna fall back in 3, 2, 1. Move 3 o'clock. Move 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3
Red snake
o'clock.
is just on the other side of you.
Burn fort. Burn fort. You burn fort. 5% only.
There's like an FT in the other side of the,
5% only.
the
5%. Tell me. Uy.
28, 28, 25, 25, 24.
Fall back now. Fall back now. You fall back. 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 Kill the orange. Kill the orange. Kill the orange. Pump up.
Pink,
Pump up.
Pink coming, pink coming.
Kill the pump up. Oh, then fall back. Fall back. Fall back. Fall back hard. Fall back hard. Fall back hard. Fall back. Fall back. Fall back.
19 Briggs.
Keep talking. Keep talking. It doesn't matter what you say.
18, 18.
Stay on the road. Stay on the
It's
road.
going back right now.
18, 18,
Keep
16,
talking.
16, 16,
Keep talking. Keep talking.
15, 15,
Keep talking.
Masyadong malayo,
keep
ah.
talking.
13,
Keep
14,
talking. Push now. Push forward. Push forward.
12, 12,
Full
12,
speed
Currently in
ahead.
their flag.
Full
Careful.
speed ahead. Full
11, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9,
99 Briggs.
8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
Burn forward, please. I bet. Why are you fighting behind?
6, 4, 3,
Oh no.
2, 1.
Red angry. Got the L. Who wants to ride it? Got the L. Here.
Can you remove the flag and plant it a lot more nearer on the fort? Your
They have a
team is a
flamethrower next
fucking
to the
bunch of
fort.
monkey. They don't know when to just ignore enemies and just straight on the fort.
We planted
my
50
God.
before we move the flag.
Yes, you do that. You do that. Yes, yes, yes. One
quick
flag.
note, pop flag is 50%.
Can you ride
Let
the can you ride the LA?
Let them. Go,
Mini-
goddamn, spawn flag, and
leave it in
goddamn,
the
stay on the
flag.
road. Again,
Read it.
when I tell you to push the fort, you don't chase orange or goddamn pink bitches. You ignore everything and just suicide run on the fort. Oh my
Change the
god.
angle, change the angle of the...
Your stupidness is a goddamn upgrading again. Stay here. Oi, don't push.
Planting.
We have 10 minutes. We need the goddamn flag to be on the other side. Can you plant the flag? Remove flag, and goddamn plant it while we're still alive. Bola,
Mas pwede to sa northeast.
plant it now. The Watcha, just
northwest.
keep the Watcha stay. Where is it? King, goddamn lords,
Northwest?
and goddamn
Oh.
all officers. Help with the builds.
Yep.
Help with the builds.
Ping mo.
Falcon DC,
Okay na.
Falcon.
Wala
layo.
sa harapan.
Ang ina.
Layo niyan sa flag. Layo
Oy,
niyan sa fort.
stop doing RBF. What the fuck?
Stop doing RBF and come here.
Care, pop on the roadside. Pop on the roadside.
Let them. Your
Watch out under
priority is
attack, watch
the
out under
flag.
attack, watch out under attack.
Let them.
Planting flag
Our
at your-
priority is the flag.
Yep, planting the flag here. Up. In your spawn point.
Nice.
In
Now
your
wait for the other flamethrower. Let the Watcha die.
I think we can
Stop
plant
doing
Wala tayo.
RBF. You're pulling the enemies here.
Stay on the flag. Flag up.
Yeah,
Wait for the flamethrower to go up. When the flamethrower goes up, we push. Be ready. Am I not streaming my screen? King, goddamn, watch my stream now. Move it. Be ready. We're going. Give BSR to your local berserkers. Flamethrower, be ready to ride. We're pushing. 3, 2, 1. Push the orange. Push orange.
Pushing towards you.
Push orange. E-buff and BSR. E-buff and BSR. Now. E-buff and BSR. You're doing good. You're playing for kills, huh? You are playing for kills. Nice.
Their flag is here at the south side.
Let it. Now you burn fort. Ignore everything. Burn fort, please.
FT up,
You ignore-
FT up, Ross.
Yes, you ignore everything and you
Pink is
burn
pushing
fort.
us as well. Pink is pushing
Can you
us.
just burn the fort? Oh. Sir.
You got LA behind you.
Fall back. Oh. Sir, when I tell you to push the fort, even if they're pushing you, you ignore them. Ignore them and play with the objective.
Fort HP 91%.
Spawn on flag and stay there.
8
Jesus
minutes,
Christ.
8 minutes.
Listen to the command. When I tell you to drop the fight and hit the fort, you hit the fort. Oh my god. Now you're wondering why you're a fucking weak. Jesus
Timer
Christ.
left, 7 minutes, 91%.
Stay on the flamethrower. Shy buff. No, can we have a shy buff? Kill the stragglers. Don't chase. Stay here. You ready? We're burning the fort by 20%. We're gonna burn it in 3, 2, 1. Straight fort. Elephant fort. Now. Move it. Straight fort. You ignore everything. Just straight fort. You straight fort. HP.
Teletrap.
HP 85. Wait, I'm gonna call it.
Keep burning fort. You're gonna die here. You need to commit. We need to burn it. It's 70%.
Second
Move it.
Yep.
Pink is pushing us from the side.
Move it. You just burn fort. Oh, fall back now. Fall back.
2 minutes.
You just fall back.
Pop is coming in. Pop is coming in.
Yeah,
You just fall
orange is
back on my
spawning.
flag. Fall back on my
Orange is
flag.
spawning. Orange is
Fall back on my flag.
Go back, go back.
You fall
Go back.
back.
Falcon.
Ignore
Spawn
them,
now
ignore
and regroup at the flamethrower. You kill these people in front of me. Keep spawning as much as possible. And kill these nigglets. Now.
It's backing off right now.
HP on the fort. Now.
Fort
HP on
HP
the fort.
75%.
Yeah, we did
Briggs, can we
70%.
destroy the FE?
Cannot. Do you know the goddamn fort has 6%?
66.
It has 6 minutes. It says 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Ready? On my go.
CTG
We're gonna burn the fort. We're not CTG.
59,
Get ready.
59.
On my go. Lors,
59.
prepare to goddamn CTG on the other side of the planet. Parade. Find a good spot for our flag. Be ready. Timmy, go with him so you can CTG also. Be ready? We're pushing forward. We're gonna take 20%. Oh, no. Kill people first. Kill people first. Kill pink. Kill pink. Kill pink. Kill pink. Kill the pink. Kill the pink. All PA, all heals. All PA, all heals. Now.
5 minutes.
Yes, now fall back. Fall back. I want all heals on the flag. All heals on the flag. Fall back now, please. I want you to fall back. Fall back, sir. Fall back. I want you to fall back. Can we pop all heals, please? All heals. All heals. If you're dead, you stay dead. If you're dead, you stay
Orange
dead.
coming in. Orange coming in.
If you're dead, you stay dead. If you're dead, you stay dead. Our flamethrower can tank. Ready? 3. Type. Hello.
Rick, second plant
Type.
ata.
Popping a
South side of the
CTG,
fort.
Popping a CTG.
South side of parade. No.
Yeah.
Try to plant on the east. Try to plant on the east. It's better. East.
Oh shit.
Yes,
CTG
east.
pop.
Yeah, you see
HP
the
of the
slope,
fort.
the slope. Spawn flag now, spawn flag, spawn flag,
53.
spawn flag. We're gonna eat 20% on the fort in this push. Be ready. Spawn flag.
3. Striker dead.
At the high ground,
Be ready. In 3, 2, 1. Burn the fort. Burn the fort. Burn the fort. Burn the fort. You burn fort. You burn fort. All buff, burn fort. All buff, burn fort. We
51,
burn fort
51.
only. Come on, we need to make it 30. We need to make it 30. Keep burning the fort.
49.
Keep burning fort. Keep burning fort. You're gonna die here.
48, 46, 46.
Keep burning the fort, please. Keep burning the. Fall back now. Fall back. Fall back. Fall back. You fall back. You fall back, fort. Fall back on the flag. Fall back on the flag. I want shy buff in heels now. Shy buff
If
in
you
heels.
remove the flag already, I'm gonna plant it here.
Yes. We're gonna be there in 3 minutes, Norse. We're gonna be there in 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Ready?
41.
Lars,
remove-
Diala dead.
Okay.
You
Ah,
can
plant the
process
watcha there. Plant the watcha there. Plant the watcha.
Okay.
Norse, plant the watcha there now. You ready? Everyone spot flag now. We're gonna burn the fort again. Kill the people first on the north. Kill the people first on the north.
4
HP
minutes,
on the
41%. 41%.
Kill. E-buff and BSR. Kill this
Gonna
goddamn
remove the
neglects
watcha,
on my north.
HP of the fort 40.
Kill the
King, I'm
neglects on
removing your
my north.
watcha. King, I'm removing your watcha.
38.
Yeah, remove it. No, keep clearing north. Keep clearing north. We cannot clear if they're behind us.
37.
Move it.
37.
What?
37.
HP, sir.
37,
HP.
37.
Yes, it's
37.
37, 3 minutes. 37, 3
Yes,
minutes.
enough. That's enough. That's enough. Spot.
That
Fall back
drops.
on the flag. Fall back on my flag.
Timer,
We're gonna
33 minutes.
fall back. We're
Minutes
gonna
left,
burn
37.
10%. We're gonna make it 25. Oh, these goddamn pink people.
36.
Kill the people on the north. Kill the people on the north. These goddamn people is goddamn fucking my timing.
6%.
Kill the north. Kill the north. Kill the north. You're killing the north. You're killing the north. You're killing the north, please. You're killing the north. Kill the goddamn pink. Kill the pink. Hello. When are you going to push the
Tulong,
north?
putang ina!
HP of the
When
fort
are you going
36.
to push the north? When?
36.
When?
35. 35.
Fall back on the flag now. Fall back on the flag.
31.
Fall back on the flag. Fall
Down
back
by
on the
the
flag.
our flag.
36,
Prepare to
35,
push. Prepare to push.
23,
23.
Not
22.
yet. Stay on the flamethrower.
22.
Stay on the flamethrower.
2 minutes. 2
22.
minutes.
Not yet. Not
2
yet. Not
minutes
yet.
and
2 minutes.
40
Not
seconds.
yet. Stay here. Keep
2 minutes,
talking.
still 2 minutes.
Keep BSR and shut up.
21,
I want everyone to
21,
compress. Compress.
21.
Compress now. Keep talking. Oi.
21.
21,
21.
yes, 21, 21.
21.
Come on. Shut up
20,
here.
20,
Shut up.
20.
OFT
Hold,
shoot.
hold.
Keep
Burning
talking.
slow,
Keep
burning slow.
talking.
1 minute, 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
20, 20,
19,
20.
19.
Push now, BSR!
19.
Push now, BSR the
19.
fort! Push now, BSR the fort now!
19%,
Push!
18,
Push!
18%,
Push! You need to push!
18%,
You need to
16,
push!
16, 16,
Push!
16, 16,
You need to
16,
push!
15, 15, 14,
14.
14, 12,
Fall back, fall back, fall back
11,
now, fall back, fall back.
9, 7,
10,
Push now, push now! Go, go, go!
2, 1.
Oh, paralyze,
Nice,
paralyze,
nice.
paralyze.
Yes, goddamn kill it! I want you, everyone, to stay dead! Stay dead
1
and kill
minute and
people!
51 seconds. 1
Yes,
minute
you
and
stay dead,
51
you stay
seconds.
dead! You stay dead! It's
1
over!
minute and-
It's over! Stay dead,
No,
stay dead!
College
Time
and
up
plunder,
ready!
bitch.
3,
That was
2,
power.
1! Spawn fort, spawn fort, spawn fort,
1
only hug
minute
fort!
and 38 seconds.
Spawn
1
fort and
minute
hug
and 38
fort!
seconds.
Spawn fort and hug fort! You're clearing it! Range classes, spread out, and aim at the fort! Go! Aim
1
fort, aim
minute and
fort,
30
aim
seconds.
fort!
1
HP
minute
on the
and
fort!
30
No, you just tell the HP, tell the
Going to
HP!
75.
81, 81,
Going to
81, 81,
75.
81, 81, 7,
Just hug fort, just hug the fort, just hug fort!
78, 78, 78.
Stay on the fort. Stay on the fort.
78.
Seconds.
77.
King, time. King.
Seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 77%.
Going to 70%.
Rifle kills. Keep
76,
spawning.
76,
Keep
74,
spawning.
74.
You're spawning as much as you can.
1 minute.
1 minute exactly. 1 minute exactly.
60
Alright,
seconds.
I want
60
everyone to
seconds.
stay dead. I want
73,
everyone to
72.
stay dead. I want
72,
everyone to stay
71.
dead. Stay dead. You need to
71,
just
70,
stay dead.
70,
Stay dead.
70, 60.
Stay dead.
68,
Keep talking.
68,
Keep talking.
66, 66, 66, 64, 64.
Spawn fort now. Spawn fort. Hug
Seconds,
fort.
40 seconds. 40 seconds on the
Spawn
fort.
fort. Hug fort. Spawn fort. Hug fort.
57.
Spawn fort. Hug
Going to
fort.
57%.
50.
56,
Your spawn fort.
56,
Hug fort.
56,
If you're dead now, you
53,
don't spawn.
53,
If you're dead now,
53,
do not spawn.
30
If you're
seconds,
dead
30
now,
seconds
do
now,
not
30
spawn.
seconds now, 50%, 49%.
Yes, if you're dead now, do not spawn.
47,
Barbaro na rin.
46, 44, 44, 43,
Stay dead.
Seconds.
43 seconds,
Die.
20 seconds, 20 seconds exactly.
20 seconds, 20 seconds, 40%,
Spawn fort, spawn fort,
40%.
spawn fort
You can
now
do
and
it,
hug.
you can do it.
Spawn
10
fort and
seconds,
hug.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Spawn fort and hug.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Turbohin niya.
4,
Putahin na niya.
3, 2, 1. You got the fort. Nice guys.
Easy. Wait, it's not finished yet.
Nice,
Done.
guys.
Wow!